Have you ever wondered how talking about your daily routine can actually make your English much stronger? Most beginners make this mistake. They try to use big words or long sentences and get stuck. Today, I will show you a simple, easy way to talk about your daily routine in English step by step so you can speak confidently from today. Hello and welcome. If you want to speak English naturally, tell short stories about your life, and share your day without fear, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will have a clear, simple structure to talk about your daily routine in English, even if you are a complete beginner. Let me tell you the truth. You don't need perfect grammar, fancy words, or long sentences. You just need small, clear steps that you practice every day. And the first step is the most important. Start small and simple. For example, don't try to explain your whole day in one long sentence. Start with 3 small sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to work. That's it. Simple sentences are powerful. Your brain understands them easily, and your mouth learns faster. Now, here is the second step. Use time words. Time words make your story easy to follow. Words like morning, afternoon, evening, at night, today, yesterday. For example, in the morning, I drink tea. In the afternoon, I study English. At night, I watch a video. See how easy it is. Here is a small secret most people forget. Add feelings to your routine. Simple words like happy, tired, excited, busy. For example, in the morning, I drink tea. I feel happy. At night, I watch a video. I feel relaxed. This makes your sentences real, and your conversation becomes interesting. Now, let's make it even more fun. Use small connecting words. Words like then, next, after that, finally. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth. Next, I eat breakfast. After that, I go to work. Finally, I watch a video at night. It flows naturally, and your English sounds smooth. Let me ask you something. How many times do you actually talk about your day in English? Comment below your answer. Don't be shy. You are not alone if you never did it before. And also, tell me which part of your routine is your favorite to talk about. The fourth step is practice daily. Just 10 minutes every day. Speak aloud, even if nobody listens. You can record your voice on your phone. 1 week later, listen again. You will be amazed at how much better you sound. Your fluency grows quietly when you practice daily. Here is another tip. Imagine telling your story to a friend. Don't translate in your head. Think in English. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Slowly, your brain stops translating and your English becomes natural. Now let's talk about mistakes. Beginners often worry about grammar or pronunciation. Stop worrying at first. Speak first. Mistakes are normal. Every mistake is a step forward. Confidence comes before fluency, not after. So speak without fear. You can also add small details. For example, I drink coffee in the morning. I like coffee. It is hot and tasty. Or, I go to work. I ride a bus. The bus is crowded. These small sentences make your daily routine interesting and help you use more words naturally. Remember, the most important steps are small sentences, time words, feelings, connecting words, and daily practice. Repeat these every day. Slowly, you will be able to tell your full day in English naturally, and your vocabulary and confidence will grow. Let me ask you one more thing. Which part of your daily routine do you find easiest to talk about? And which part is the hardest? Comment below, and we can talk about it together. Now here is a challenge for you. Today, speak 5 sentences about your day in English. That's all. Just 5 sentences. Record them, listen, and notice your improvement tomorrow. Small steps make a big difference. To quickly recap, start with small sentences. Use time words. Add feelings. Connect sentences with simple words. Speak daily. Don't worry about mistakes. And slowly, your English becomes natural. If this video helped you, like it so more beginners can see it, comment below with your 5 sentences today. Share this video with someone who wants to speak English naturally. And subscribe to the channel for more simple, easy, and practical English learning videos. You can do this. Start today. Speak a little every day and watch your English grow. See you in the next video.